Okay, so today we're gonna pretend that we're on a driving test and the examiner says park behind that vehicle. What he means is parallel park the car. So as soon as he tells you, you signal to the right, signal right, check the rear view mirror and the right shoulder, get close to that vehicle about 2 feet. And you just keep going straight until the back bumper of your car is in line with the back bumper of this car. Place the gear selector to reverse. You need a 3/4 revolution to the right. So that's a 3/4 revolution. Then you check, make sure it's okay. Then you back up. And you keep backing until the front of your car is in line, but of course at an angle with the back of this car. Then you stop completely, get all your turns in to the left, then just keep checking the rear view mirror and over your right shoulder and back in until the car is straight. Then you place the gear selector to drive, straighten the wheel, clock, then clock again, and then you inch up just a little just to confirm it's straight. Apply your parking brake, gear selector to park, and you're done. Now the examiner says okay, because he's satisfied with what you've done. So the first step is get rid of the parking brake, place the gear selector to reverse, look in the rear view mirror and over your left shoulder, and you back up until you have sufficient space out front. Like now I can see where the tire of that car makes contact with the roadway, so we have enough space to get out. Place the gear selector to drive, signal to the left, take 1 complete revolution of the steering wheel to the left, then you check mirror, blind spot, shoulder, but there's a car approaching. No, he's turning, so now it's safe to go. So you just inch out. When the front clears the vehicle, then you recover, and that's it. And that's parallel parking. And most likely you will be doing that maneuver during your driver's test. Very seldom you can take a driving test and not do parallel parking. Now these new cars, they're able to parallel park on its own, but you will not be able to use that system while you're on a driving test. You have to manually parallel park your car. Okay, let's do a right turn at this stop sign. So signal right, and we have a white line, so I stop just before the white line, and it's a 4-way, so I check left, right, and then I proceed. Hand over hand steering, recover, then drive. At the stop sign ahead, it's a right turn. Signal right, there is a white line, front bumper stops behind that white line with the wheels turned. Check to the left and right, and then you go if it's safe. We got a pedestrian walking across the road, so of course we let him go. Next street down, it's gonna be a left turn. Signal left, check mirror, shoulder. There's a car coming, but he's a good ways away, so I make my turn. And now I'm gonna pull over and park the car. Signal, mirror, blind spot, and I'll just put the front into this parking space and make sure the wheels are straight. And that's it. Now this is the end of this driving lesson. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you.